Hello everyone, I am Niveda here, and in this video I am going to share you how you can import unlimited products from Amazon to Shopify for free. If you are a seller on Amazon, you will be having lots of products in Amazon and manually uploading them on Shopify by uploading title, description, bullet point, images will be a tedious process. So in this video I am going to share a small trick by which you can upload it very easily. If you are watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you are subscribing to my channel. Let's get into the video. I have logged into my Shopify panel here, and there is one app called Spreader app. I have installed this particular app. I'll be mentioning this app link in the description, so just click on the app link, click on add app. Once you click on the app, this app will be listed in your Shopify app store. This app is a paid app. It has only 7 days free trial. So in the free trial itself, we have to utilize the opportunity and add all our products to Shopify. Okay, so once you install the app, you will have a panel like this, and when you click on the home page, you can add any Amazon product link and directly import into your store. You can do it for amazon.in, .com or anything. I have taken a small example. I have selected this particular product. I'm just copying this URL and I'm pasting it here, and I'll click on add product. Okay, if there is no duplicates available in your existing store, this product will be copied from Amazon to Shopify, including all the details. Once it is done, click on close. Okay, so this is the product that is copied. Now, if I come here and come to products, the product that we have added will be automatically added here. So I'm just opening the product and I'll be showing you the preview of the product. So if I click on preview, this particular product will be shown as view on Amazon. Okay, so but we need add to cart and buy it now button. So for that, okay, there is a separate method. What you can do is that just go to the Spreader app settings and just go to the default values and add this particular tag. Sorry, let me add the tag here, which is Spreader hidden. If you mention this default tag here, right, this tag will be added to all the products here. A product carrying this tag will not have view on Amazon button. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to the home page and I'll search for one more product. I'll scroll down and I'll select one more product, copy the product URL, go and paste it here, click on add product. It will be checking for duplicate and this product will be imported into our store. So this is getting imported. The product is added successfully. Now I'll come to Shopify, click on all products. This is the product that we have added. Okay, once I click on the product and scroll down, in the tags, if you have Spreader hidden, right, this won't have view on Amazon. So once I click on preview, instead of view on Amazon, it will have add to cart, buy it now. The reason it is having view on Amazon is that it is not designed for Amazon sellers, it is designed for Amazon affiliates. So that is the reason it is having view on Amazon. Now I'll go to the first product, and if I scroll down, this particular tag won't be there. So if I click on preview, it will have view on Amazon. So in case you have added any products with this view on Amazon, just go to the product. In the tag, just mention this Spreader hidden. Just a minute, I'll copy that tag. Settings, default values. I'm copying the Spreader hidden. Okay, I'm just pasting it here. So once you add this particular tag and click on save, okay, within few seconds, if you again visit this product, this view on Amazon will not be there. Instead, you will have add to cart and buy it now button. So this is the way that you can pull a product from Amazon to Shopify. And one more thing, there is a bulk option available in Spreader app, but you can upload only 10 ASIN. To do the bulk option, just go to the tools and bulk import. Whenever you are creating a new account, you will have 10 credits free. Okay, here I have only 7 credits because I have already utilized 3 products. Here you can upload a simple Excel file where you will have the ASIN list. So I'll just share you a sample here. This is a sample file where I have mentioned only one ASIN. Okay, so let me upload this file right now. Okay, so I have browsed the file and click on upload file. If you have all the 10 ASIN, all the 10 ASIN will be extracted. I had one ASIN, it is saying one ASIN is extracted. So one product is ready. Just start the import. Please select this so that there is no duplicate ASINs. So just start import. Once you start the import, in few seconds, this should be completed. So you can see the results here. Loading, this may take few seconds. Within few seconds, this particular product will be imported to our store. So this is one more method. Now the import is completed. Okay, so if I come here again, click on all products, I can see the product that I selected and imported into my store. Okay, so now I'll be sharing you how you can download your bulk inventory file from Amazon, and you can add the link here. Okay, so to download your bulk inventory file, log into a Seller Central, let it be .com, .in, anything. Just go to inventory and click on inventory reports and select active inventory reports or any inventory reports. Okay, so generally when you select active inventory reports, all your active ASIN list will come, and click on request report. Within few seconds, your report status should be ready to download. I am refreshing the page. Okay, so let me download an old file. I am downloading the old file. So just open this old file and copy all the contents to an Excel sheet. So to do that, I am just doing Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Okay, and let me open up an Excel sheet, and I am just pasting all the contents here. This inventory file will have all the things like item name, description, etc., including price, quantity. So I'm going to find out the ASIN here, and only this ASIN I'll put it in a new sheet. So this ASIN I have copied into a new sheet. Now if I copy this ASIN and come and paste it here, this won't work because Spreader app will accept only links. So from the ASIN, how can you frame the link? I'll be sharing you that method. In Amazon, there is a general concept of link. Okay, this is the ASIN of the product. I'm just copying it. So the general format of a link is that amazon.in/dp/ASIN. So once you paste it, any product will open. This is the general formula of any product. So now we have the ASIN ready. Now we will prepare the links for it in bulk. To do that, I am going to type a formula. Please follow it. The formula is also in the description. So I will just put is equal to caps on, concatenate, open braces, and I am just opening and closing double braces. Okay. So inside this double braces, I am going to type amazon.in/dp/. Okay. After the double quotes has entered, put a comma and refer to the cell and close the braces. Now you will be getting the link from ASIN. So this is the way that you can generate link from ASIN. Just scroll, if you are just pulling it down, all the links will be updated. Okay, so let me take this particular link, and once I come and paste it here and click on add product, the product will be imported very easily. The bulk feature that I shared you, right, you can just go to tools, and if you have only 100 products or something like that, you can buy out few credits, because for 50 products they are just charging $1. Okay, so I think that should be very friendly for you. So in case you have a budget, because it is just a small budget, you can just purchase the credit and do the bulk upload file, which is very easy. But in case you feel that it is cost effective, then come to home page, prepare a bulk sheet like this. Okay, just to copy the details and paste the link here and click on add product. So this is the best way that you can do. And I wish to share a few more things with you. Whenever you are deleting a product here, okay, so let me show you here all products. There are 4 products that we have actually worked on here. Deleting a product from Spreader app will delete from here also. So if I am deleting this product, confirm delete, this particular product will be deleted in our Shopify also, so don't delete it. Then what is the solution? Because this is a paid app, right? So one great feature that I found is that even when you're coming to this app and clicking on delete, okay, So because we are in free trial, we should not go to the paid version. So once you click on delete, once everything is over, you have imported all your products, click on delete. Just mention some reason for deleting and click on delete. Once this is done, there won't be any problem in your products. You can come to products here and you can see all the products here. So once you have imported all the products, please don't delete any products in this particular app. Okay, just ignore this particular app and then come here and just delete the app. Okay, things will work perfectly fine, don't worry about it. Okay, so this is the way that you can import it for free. And I have one more app which is actually by Spreader Team, which is called Connector app. This app is for Amazon products and it imports every details from FBA, like inventory, pricing, etc. But it is a paid one. However, there is free trial available, but you can do only till 25 SKUs. So if your SKU count is less than 25, definitely try out this app. Okay, but I feel this Spreader app is really sufficient for you. You can just pull out all the details and make sure that you're following the settings that I shared. Any doubts and any issues if you're facing, please comment below this video and I'll be happy to assist you. And one more thing, please don't delete any of the products, and for backup purpose you can select all the products that you have imported and click on export. This way you can just save a copy of all the details that you have imported. Okay, this is one trick that you can follow. I hope you like the video. Please click on like button and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.